हो गया।
Welcome to our school, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
A very pleasant and balmy morning to all. Today is a very special day for all of us, for in our midst, we sincerely hope, Madam, that you have an enjoyable and productive stay here and take away pleasant memories. Welcome from the student body as well. May I now request the head boy and head girl of the school to step forward and extend a very gracious welcome to our in the long chain of DAV institutions countrywide is now 33 years old in the service of this town. The morning assembly for which the students are gathered here is a daily ritual that provides an auspicious beginning to the day. So now before you is the morning assembly, after which the school shall start its routine for the day. So here we present the
to one and all present here. Today, I, Ria Ahuja, on behalf of the entire DAV family, welcome you all. A heartiest welcome to our honorable guest and respected Madam Principal. With a faint chirping of birds, dewdrops over the green grass, cool breeze blowing and glittering sun rays spreading various hues of shiny silvers and golds, we get ready to take an oath of our duties towards our nation. So I request Devansh to lead us with the pledge.
India is my country. And all Indians are. I love my country. And I am proud of. Its rich. And varied heritage. I shall always strive. To keep myself. Physically. Mentally. And morally healthy. Only the improvement of. My nation. And the well-being of. Entire humanity.
The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others, in the service of your nation. I would like to request the choir to lead us for Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sitaram, Sasya Shamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubha Jyotsna, Pulkit Yamini, Pullak Sumita, Suhasini, Sumadhuri Bhashini, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Us with the current affairs.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today's news headlines are, firstly, some national news. India lodges strong protest with Pakistan over court order on Gilgit-Baltistan. Rajasthan cabinet decides to pass resolution for 33% reservation for women in assembly. Some international news. Justice Asif Khosa, who disqualified Nawaz Sharif, takes oath as new Chief Justice of Pakistan. Sweden votes for Löfven, ends political deadlock. Some business news. IL and FS contract to build Zojila tunnel scrap. RIL chief urges PM to take steps against data colonization. Some sports news. India win first ever bilateral ODI series in Australia. Saina Nehwal and Thames Nozomi Okuhara to enter Malaysia Masters semi-finals. Srikanth loses. Some school news. Date sheet for classes 8th and 11th has been released by DAV board. Exam starts from 18th Feb and will get over by 11th March. School to be inspected today by CBSE official. Today's weather forecast. Maximum
Days in our life. So here is Krishnaveer for the thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. The thought of do nothing. We overcome these fears by taking some actions, which means the earlier you start working on something, the earlier you will see the results. Thank you and have a nice day.
Be so proud
pressure in the classroom.
जब एग्जाम हॉल में मुझको पेपर मिला तो आंसू गिरने लगे। खुशबू के बेटे मुझ पे हंसने लगे। जो दागों पे आंसू लिखे थे वो भी मिटने लगे। और दोस्त नजर भी चुराने लगे। सोता रहा मैं हॉल में, पास हुआ बस ख्वाब में। काश मुझे एक और दिन मिल जाता। आती है क्यों कब पत्तियां, हमने ही क्यों ये
To cut the long story short, had they studied in time, they would not have suffered now. Or I should say, if we all take the, we'll not be stressed during the exam hours. So, here are some mantras PM Modi has come up with to help the young aspirants deal with the exam stress. Students should celebrate exams like festivals with cheer and happiness. And remember that one particular test cannot define a person because life is so much more than that. Students should laugh their way into and fosters relaxation, and with it comes the great ability to recall. The book emphasizes on the need and even asks them to pursue knowledge, for marks will automatically follow. Students should consider themselves as their biggest competitors instead of competing with others. Students should focus on time management and self-discipline during the high-pressure exam time. Exam warriors guide students to embrace technology as it is a great teacher. Students should take proper break from studies, listen to music, read a book, something, but to do something. Lastly, PM Modi asks students to devote some time each day to practice yoga.
By away. The goal is not to be better than anyone, but your previous self. This is Tanya Goyal signing off.